Yeah, so what we got here is, this is my proposed foundry forge setup thing I'm trying to build. I want to burn waste oil and like motor oil that's used and stuff, which has its own a lot of challenges. Right now, my fuel is kerosene, jet fuel, Jet A. But that spring is in there just as a heat source so that the oil cloud can keep ignited while it's being blown in there. And then this is just a refractory packed flower pot, which is designed to insulate. When this is running, you can like even touch the outside of it and it's not too hot to touch. So that's the idea, is that we trap a lot of heat in there and then I'll ultimately be able to melt metal like aluminum and copper, hopefully even. But in order to do that, my burner is the fire extinguisher, opposite of an extinguisher. It has the kerosene in here, and it's actually like a fuel injection nozzle. It behind the nozzle, there's a little threaded in part which creates a tiny chamber behind, up against the orifice behind it, where there's a cap tube dropping into here. So when I apply air pressure,
a little tiny venturi then.
It's not even a venturi, because this is all an air channel all the way down to the surface of the kerosene, so it's pressurizing the bottle at the same time that it's pushing. The only place for the air to escape is out the nozzle.
So and it's kerosene inside there? Yeah,
kerosene in here. And so dip tube going down into it, which comes to the back side of the mixing chamber inside the nozzle. There's diagonal slots which set up a turbulence and mix it in this little tiny half-inch chamber, and then it goes through another set of slots into the nozzle and then out the orifice into a cloud, basically exactly the same as a fuel injector.
So you're not necessarily, you don't have flame up at that point, you actually have your flame down here.
I don't want the flame at this point.
Okay.
This is part of today's experiment, is to find correct pressures and testing, because I tried it at like 90 psi. It was way too high of pressure with this flare, because the purpose of the flare is to slow down the gas and allow the flame front to catch up. And so with this flare, it was blowing out. It wouldn't stay lit even with my blowtorch held to it. Probably for the best. That's what I'm talking about! Wow! I would call that success.